So we meet again in part 7 of algebraic expressions and identities. We had learned about 4 identities, and now in this part we are going to learn the application of identities. We are going to learn applications of identities. So let's begin with the application of the first identity. Using identity 1, find 2x plus 3y the whole square, and the second one is 103 the whole square. Now identity 1 is a plus b the whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now instead of a plus b, here we have 2x plus 3y the whole square. Now see here, a plus b the whole square, it is square of the first term. Then because there is a plus sign here, we write plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. So here also we will do it. Always write down the identity which you are going to use. Then you write 2x plus 3y the whole square, square of the first term, that is 2x the whole square, plus 2 into first term, which is 2x, and second term 3y, plus 3y the whole square. So 2x square, that means you have to write square of 2 also and square of x also. So square of 2 is 4 and square of x is x square. So that gives you 4x square. Plus, now these are the multiplication of monomials. So you multiply the numbers. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 3 is 12, and x into y is xy. So 12xy plus 9y square. So this is the answer. Because they are all unlike terms, you cannot simplify further. So this is the answer. Answer of 2x plus 3y the whole square is 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square. Once again I will explain. It is 2x plus 3y the whole square. Our identity is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Square of the first term, so square of the first term, plus 2 into first term into second term. So plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term the whole square. So square of 2x is 4x square plus 2 into 2 is 4 into 3 is 12 and x into y is xy plus 9y square. Now you are given a number 103 the whole square. Don't multiply 103 into 103. You are asked to find the find the value using the identity. Which identity? A plus b the whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now can I write 103 in the form of a plus b? Of course yes, I can write. How? 100 plus 3 the whole square. So this is my a and this is my b. So square of the first term 100 square plus 2 into first term, which is 100, into second term, which is 3, plus second term square, which is 3 square. So 100 square is 10,000. See how to write. Square of 1 is 1 and there are 2 zeros, so they become 4 zeros. Plus 2 into 3 is 6 and 6 into 100 is 600 plus 9. So answer is 10,609 when I add everything. So this is how we apply our identity in solving such mathematical expressions. Is it clear? Understood? Okay. Let's move to identity 2. How to find the value of the expression using identity 2. So let's go to identity 2, which is first one given is 4p minus 3q the whole square. So first one 4p minus 3q the whole square. Write down identity 2. You already know a minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. What is our a square here? 4p. 4p the whole square. Because there is a negative sign in between, I write down minus 2. Close your eyes and write down minus 2. Then you write the first term, which is 4p into 3q. Into 3q. Don't write minus 3q. Minus we have already written here. Plus 3q the whole square. So 4p the whole square is 16p square. Children, don't make mistake. Don't write here just 4p square. No, you have to write the square of 4 also and square of p also. So that is 16p square minus 24pq. 2 into 4, 8. 8 into 3 is 24pq plus 9q square. Is it clear? Yes, I think it must be very clear. The second one, 4.9 the whole square. Oh, now there is a point here. Oh my God, how I will do it? Oh, it's very easy. Only thing is you have to use little bit of brains. Now, a minus b the whole square, I can use it. How? 4.9 the whole square is 5 minus 0.1 the whole square. Take the immediate whole number. Whenever you are given in points, take the immediate. 4 के बाद क्या आता है? 5. So 5 minus 0.1 the whole square. So that is, you can also take this as 4 plus 0.9 the whole square. Mind well, you can also take it as 4 plus 0.9 the whole square. Any way you can take, either way, but here you are told using identity 2. So our identity 2 is a minus b the whole square. So we have to take the 5 minus 0.1 the whole square. If you are not specifically given which identity to use, you can use any identity. A plus b the whole square also you can use. So here square of the first term minus 2 into first term into second term plus square of the second term. 5 square is 25 minus sign 2 5s are 10. 10 into 0.1 is 1. 1.0 plus 0.01 square of 0.1. When you multiply 0.1 into 0.1, you get 0.01. If you don't know, multiply in your rough work. Now 25 minus 1 is 24. Plus 0.01. So answer is 24.01. This is how we apply identity 3. Now, how do we apply identity 3? Sorry, this was identity 2. Now we are going to learn application of identity 3, which is very, very easy. Children, you should know which identity to apply when. When it is a negative sign and square of the binomial, you apply a minus b the whole square. When it is a binomial with a positive sign and same it is 4p plus 3q square, then you will apply identity 1. Now let's see application of identity 3. Using identity 3, find 3 upon 2m plus 2 upon 3n into 3 upon 2m minus 2 upon 3n and another one. So let's take the first one first. Then we will think about the second and the third. So let's take this. Now, here you can see that both the terms are same, but there is a difference in the sign. One is positive, one is negative. When such brackets are given or when such binomials are given to you, that time you will use identity 3. A plus b into a minus b, directly a square minus b square. That means whichever is the first term, square of that minus the second term square. So let's write down. First write down the identity, then write down the question and then is equal to, which is the first term here, 3 upon 2m the whole square minus 2 upon 3n the whole square. That means you have to find the square of the whole thing. Square of 3 is 9, square of 2 is 4 and m square minus square of 2 is 4 and square of 3 is 9n square. This will be the answer. Now let's take next question. 983 the whole square minus 17 square. Now this 983, I can write it down as, now already you are given a square minus b square. So now I will take the reverse of it. When you are given a square minus b square, what do? I add ones and I subtract ones. In one bracket, I will add both the terms, and in another bracket, I will subtract them. So I will write down first the identity a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. But here I am given a square minus b square. So first I write down a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. My a here is 983 and b here is 17. So 983 plus 17 and 983 minus 17. 983 plus 17 is 1000 and 983 minus 17 is 966. When I multiply, I get the answer 9,66,000. Is it clear? Okay, let's move to the third one. 194 into 206. First, I will express this in the form of a plus b and a minus b. I will take the first number, which is the bigger number. Bigger number here is 206. 206, I will write it in the multiple of 10. So that is 200 plus 6. 200 plus 6. And 194 will be 200 minus 6. So I will write 200 minus 6 and 200 plus 6. Sometimes you don't know. So what you do is you see the bigger number. 206. Yes, I can express this as 200 plus 6. So see the next number. Can I express this as 200 minus 6? Yes. So write down 200 minus 6 into 200 plus 6. So it is of the identity a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. Always write down the identity while you are solving the sum. So 200 minus 6 into 200 plus 6 is 200 square minus 6 square. 200 square is 40,000 minus 36, and that will give you 39,964. So this is how you will apply identity 3. Now let's go to identity 4. What is our fourth identity? Fourth identity is x plus a into x plus b. Here only the first term is same, second term are not same. So that time, how do we use this? So you are given first one, 501 into 502. As I told you, first find out the bigger number. Bigger number is 500 plus 2. So is the smaller number 500 minus 2? No. Here it is 501. So it is 500 plus 1. So I write down 500 plus 1 and 500 plus 2. In this case, I cannot use my identity a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Third identity you cannot use. You will have to use this identity. X plus a into x plus b is square of the first term plus x into second term plus second term of both the brackets plus a into b, that is multiplication of both the second term. So let's write down 500 plus 1 and 500 plus 2. 500 square plus 500 into 1 plus 2, a plus b, plus a into b, 1 into 2. So 500 square is 2,50,000 plus 500 into 3 is 1,500 plus 2. So answer you get is 2,51,502. So this is your answer. Now next one, 95 into 103. Now as I told you, always take the bigger number. 103, that means 100 plus 3. But is this 100 minus 3? No, it is not. But it is 100 minus 5. Okay, so write down 100 minus 5 and 100 plus 3. I am still going to use this identity only. X plus a into x plus b. which is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Now be very careful, children, here. 100 minus 5 into 100 plus 3. So square of the first term, okay, 100 square plus 100, which is my second term in the first bracket, minus 5. So I will write here minus 5 only, plus 3, plus minus 5 into 3. So I get whatever is the sign. If A here is minus, so I will write along with the sign. Remember, here in case plus 3, if it was minus 3, then here also you write along with the sign. But here it is plus 3, so we have written plus 3. So 100 square is 10,000 and here minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. We know that signs are different. You subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2 and sign of a bigger number which is negative. So minus 2 into 100 is minus 200. And minus 5 into 3 is minus 15. So first what you do is, first subtract 200 from 10,000. So you get 9,800 minus 15. That will be 9,785. So this is the answer. So children, this is how we apply these identities. So you write down in your classwork book. Try to do it by yourself because I have explained you, and do it by yourself and you will understand it better. So then we will start with the exercise in our next part. So till then, stay home, stay safe.